We're back again with another Cammy Wammy. This time we are installing a Feejoaz custom grind. Hopefully the Brazzy loves this one. Hopefully it is choppy enough for him. But only one way to find out. Let's get into it. Oh, Auntie's leaking. Is that what you want? Hurry up, get out of there, girl, so we can take your radiator out, my man. Oh, come on, my darling. Oh yeah, that what you want? Water pumps out. Whoa, that's a funny color. It's like a bluishy, purpley water. Wow. Ugly. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Come here. That's what y'all want. Whoa. Losing the tools. Screwdriver. Oh, that ain't a screwdriver. But they would do it. Pop goes the weasel. That one's out. Stay. Alright, let's get this intake off. Bloody rubbish. Put in this cap. And back to the 8. We on one more. I think that's all of it, I think. Yep. Alright, let's lift this intake. Oh, auntie. One. That's out. God damn, this is pretty tidy, man. I like. Not bad. Let's have a look on the inside. Once we knock off the crank pulley, pull the timing cover off, take the rocker covers off and the coil packs, and oh yeah. We on. Alright. I'm tired. Need some lunch. Lunchy black. Take these damn things out. And get Auntie's rockers and rocker covers. Okay. Oh, calm down. Don't fall down there. Chuck this in the car. Wow. Yes, it's manual. It's a bloody manual. So that's the cool part too. I like about this car. Manual. Being manual, at least you know you can go big ass cam. You don't have to worry about high stall and crap like that. So that's a bonus. And that's the reason why he's gone to the big Feejoaz cam. Moment of truth. You reckon Feejoaz or clean as? Let's find out. Whoa! She's a potty motor. It's alright. We'll give you a clean, you dirty hooer. Up to, bro, up to. Now, next side. Probably putty as well on this side. Hey, putty again. All good. That's right, we'll give you a nice bath. Wham bam. Chang. Next side. Oh yeah. Oh, these push rods look pretty good, man. I like these push rods. Nice, very nice. The other side pretty good too. Just needs a bit of a cleanup. Lack of servicing, but that's alright. Get these buggers out. Come here, get out of there. Come on, Auntie, you need to get out of there. Hello, header. How you doing? I don't know how hard is this one to pull out, but we'll find out. Oh, whoa. Just fell out. God damn, that's what I want. I believe this has got a crack somewhere, because I did hear it leak. So we'll give her a bit of a weld. I believe it's somewhere down here. I'm gonna have a look again. There we go, found it. There's a nice crack in the back there. Right there. Right in Auntie's A-nuck in the back there. So gotta give that a nice weld. No more leaky weaky. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Holy hell. Auntie, you got a big crack. Oh, we'll fix ya. Right. Let's try and get this crank pulley off. I just had hard times. I don't know if the battery was flat or not, but hey, let's give it a go again. Oh man, we got her. We got her. I think our battery was just too flat. Damn. Let's get this crank pulley off. Come on, Feejoaz. Come on. Oh yeah, Auntie fell out. Wow. Crank pulley all done. Oh, give me my nut. Oh, sorry. Oh, we're dropping all the bolts. God damn. Stay. Oh yeah. Oh, at least all the bolts are just sitting here. I like it. Whoa, she's a bit gunky. Ah, she's all good. Just a little bit dirty, a little bit black. Get that nice clean. A row motor. God damn, man. You pretty black. Let's get this oil pump timing chain off and then we'll jump to those heads. What? Come here, Auntie, get out of there. Come on. Oil pumps out. Bloody high K's 300,000. Jeepers. Rubbish. Cam plates. Don't drop those in the motor. Jeepers. I'll be crying. Oh, see, that was close. Very close. Cammy, Wammy, are you ready? Oh, cam plate, come here, darling. Oh yeah, she's dipping in. Dipping into the rubbish. We on. Alright, time to take the heads off. Bloody headache. E2 power. Get in there. Oh my god. The laho fell out. Come on. Oh wow, Auntie's heads are coming off. Oh yeah, they're not too bad. Yeah, bro, you were.
Yes.
And now you're here for the second one.
Fuck, you're going to polish these ones?
Yep, gotta give them a nice clean up.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, is that what you want? Not bad heads anyway, that's for sure. They're not too bad. A little bit of carbon build-up, but I've seen this. Alright, Tiger, it looks beautiful, Tiger. It's beautiful.
Yes.
We just need to pull these head gaskets and lift this out. Fuck, we're on, mate. Yep. Bloody lifters, come here, darling. Oh, wow. One of my friends just gave me a text and go, hey, bro, this is my old car. I'm like, what do you mean it's your old car? He goes, bruv, I'm sure that's my old car. That's the car they used to see me on. I was like, god damn, it is too. I was like, shucks, he even knows the bro he sold it to. I was like, god damn, it's a small world. Oh well, the old owner will be happy that it's all cammed up. Plus the new owner will be happy to get to drive it around. Wow. What the? Let's get these bloody lifters up so we can remove the cam. Rubbish. Come here. Rubbish. Alright, let's throw these lifters out. Fucking more rubbish. Pull that out. One more lifter in there. Pull this cam out. Wham bam. Hopefully she looks good. So we can chuck in the new one, dial it up, clean up the heads, etc. And we should be all good to go. Come on, Auntie, come out. Don't be naughty. Cammy, Wammy, wow. Oh, she's not too bad. This is beautiful. This is bloody beautiful. Very nice, very good. Put that in the bucket. Wow, wow, wee wee. Damn. I suppose it's time to clean it up. Get it ready to install the new Cammy Wammy. How are you? Ah, Jesus. Lucky I almost forgot to put the starter motor in. We've got to put the new one in. So we'll rip that auntie's wires. Go underneath and we'll take her out. Come here, auntie. Ugh, yuck. Ooh, yum yum. Pop goes the weasel. Ta-da! She's in. I'm gonna bolt her up. Motor's looking nice and clean. That's what I like. Nice and clean. Bolt that starter motor and put the lifters in. Put the Cammy Wammy in and dial her up. Wow, wow, wing, wow. Oosh, oosh, we're back with Auntie's Cammy Wammy. Oh, we got the nice billet Cammy Wammy. Oh, yes, that's what we want. Come on, big mama. Get in there. Get in. Hurry up so we can dial your big ass. Auntie's car. Ding da dee da ding. She's in. Is that what I like? Oh, wow, we won. Fuck, this guy cracked it. He's got ARPs for his cam plate. I went to go and check the Cammy Wammy box. I was like, hey, ARPs? You'll be the first one I've done with a cam plate. Good to go. Lifter trays look too clean, bro, to be honest. Very nice, very clean, no oil. Now we just throw these LS7 lifters back in. And then we get onto the dialing. Try and slap her all back in. So we can get this thing running. Can't wait to hear this one though. Definitely can't wait. Oh. These two. So I'll go here. Sweet, those are in. Well, we just finished our dialing this round. We're on. What is that? 10. So it's 108, but it's like slightly off the 108s, in between 107 and 108, but we're still on. We're on King Kong. Now I can throw the timing cover on, throw Auntie's heads on, and we should be good to go. Wow, wow, wow. That's it, my bro. Your fault, G. All this is your fault. Wow, those are too clean, I reckon. Compared to when we pulled them off, shit, they're ugly. Head, what a headache. It's beautiful. My man. Hey, what are you up to, man? Do a wheelie, bro, do a wheelie. Those fellas crack up. Oh, yep, head's all nice and clean. Now we can start slapping everything back on. Put all that timing cover on, heads on there. Right, we're on to our next step. All our crank pulleys on, timing covers on. Head is on that side. One more to put down. We got our head gasket on. Make sure, like I always say, front. Oh yeah, that way. Oh yeah. Now, let's see if we can do this with one hand with your mother-in-law. Come on, Auntie, get in there. She's gonna be my friend today. Come on, Auntie. Get in there. Hang on, I'm stuck. Can't even make it click. Here we go. She's in with a grin. Back one, not really. Now it is. No lumas stuck in the back. Not anymore. We're good. Shit, man. Getting slowly there. Slowly. Had a few guys cam up their own LS's. Forgot about the earth wire at the back. Got jammed in between the head and the block after they torqued it down. Found out wouldn't run because there's wire stuck. Bloody lahos. So don't do that trick, eh? Don't do that trick. Save that for the professionals. Ba-doink. 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 Auntie in-law coming. Wammy. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Well, she's all torqued up, ready to go. Come here, Auntie. You gotta go back on. Good girl. You look like an engine now. That's what Uncle wants. Very nice. Alright, let's get this bloody thing down. Bolt it up. And get these springs all done. And get her started. Wow. Good girl. You go down, please. Chuck our loom back on. Bing, bing, bing. Very nice. Put the aircon on. Where's my earth bolt? Somewhere around over here. Put that on. Get it on, bruh. Oh my goodness. Oh, Butterfingers today. Butterfingers. Get on the side. I will knock sensor in the back there. I'll plug it on. Plug that one on. Injectors. Inject your mother-in-law. Clip that on. Pull this around. Clip, clip, clip. Clickety, clack, clack. That's done. And I won't put the fuel line on yet. We need this bugger. Which goes to the fuel tank. Start to breathe. Come on. Tinga to whenua. Make it click. Oh yeah. Plug it on. That's good as gold. That's all done. And now, pull that off. I know this clip somewhere over here. Which way did you go? Yes, I went this way. Let this will go down the back. Plug on the throttle bodies. Click. Click. Been Auntie's kinner. And that up. Not too much. Beauty. This goes down here. Alright, we're just changing our valve springs. Got our beehives in the back. These are the standards. Standard springs are a little bit shorter than the beehive. You can see. Yeah, one's a little bit taller, one's a little bit shorter. If you don't want to go to beehive, you can go dual springs, which is probably that height, or a little bit shorter, or 2 springs. This side's all done. Wow, beehive's all the way. We just got 4 more to do on this side and we're done. Get him. Rosie over there. What car you reckon he's looking for? Hard to say. He's been in the category of looking for cars for a bit. Well, we're almost there. We're just going to prime her up now, see if this oil comes up. Brazzy will give us a hand to give it a wine. Yeah. Sweet, my G. Well, you can give it a crank over, make sure she's in neutral, and we should be good to go. That what you want? There's Auntie's coming in. And that one. Oh shit, more. Now this guy. Whoa. She's a spitter. She's a spitter. Don't squirt her. Surely we got oil pressure on this gauge. Oh yeah, there's some pressure right there. Pressure these nuts. Keep going, my bro, keep going. And I always make sure you prime that bloody motor up before you crank it, because you don't want Auntie dry. Auntie don't like dry. Fuck yeah, bro. Nah, the Brazzy was on. He knows about the oil pressure sensor wire. Come on the fall off if you put your own in. You ready, Brazzy? You ready? Give it a crank. Let's see. Let it settle. Oh yeah. How's the oil pressure? All good? Beautiful. That is first pop. We haven't started it. Just this one time. Just that one. Sounds happy, sounds coffee. What do you reckon, Brazzy? All good? God damn, man. God damn. Oh, Cookie Monster. It sounds like your car, asshole. Feejoaz. Oh, the 216. You know, you gotta make it nice and clean. Take off all my fingerprints, handprints, oil prints, auntie print, city bum print. We on. Ooh, shiny, shiny. Case closed. We on. King Kong. Now we just gotta go for a drive. Well, me and the Brazzy are off for a little mission on the club A. Hurry up, cows. There's too many cows in the way. God damn. Well, I'll do is go the other way. This drives wonderful straight up. Not bad.
Yeah, turn it off here.
Oh shit! No one saw that. It still broke though when we bloody went to take off from the driveway anyway. So here you go, Brazzy. A lot easier if someone else holds it. Pickup, nice and smooth, bro. Bro, your pops and bangs. God damn, man. Auntie, calm down. He doesn't even need to rip the guts out of it. Look at that, just 4.5K. Pop, 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 pop. God damn. Man. This thing goes wonderful when the bro drives it. He knows his own car, not me. this guy can drive, man, straight up. His pedaling and everything is so smooth. Not even rough. Doesn't even smash his gears, man. He's like, with a flat shift. Bruzzy, you're on, bro. I love it. Love it long time. No, you guys are legends. Clean the camera, Feejoaz. Clean the camera. Well, she's all done. Going back home out of Feejoaz's garage. Now I can go and pick up my new toy. Cook like Nana. Too much, Bruzzy. You have a good time? A long time. She hungry. Love the car, man. Straight up. Beautiful. I know who used to own it. It was one of the brothers. He sold it off to someone else, and bro, this thing's beautiful. Yeah, bro. Like I always say, keep following for more. Feejoaz or Tanner.